Hello everyone. Hello. Very charming and pleasant morning to all of you. Very charming good morning, sir. And first of all, I thank you, sir, to give me this golden opportunity to stand here. Here. First of all, today I am here to tell you about my self intro and my class experience. So first of all, I tell my name. As you all know my name, if you don't know, then I tell my name. My name is Singh before you, and I am studied in class 11th, and I take commerce because I want to become a good businessman. And in my family there are four members. My father is also a businessman, and my mother is a housekeeper, and my grandfather was retired from forest police officer. And in my family there are four members: my grandfather, my mother, my father, and included me. And I appreciate Anand Bhaiya that I am also studied in till 11th class, till 10th class in CBSE school, in English medium school. There was many people asking me is that you are studying in English medium school, and why you go to learn English language and English coaching. And I want to tell you about that in English medium school there was also a teacher who speaks in full Hindi language. There was an English teacher also come and explain the chapter story, and said to learn the question answer. And never means in, if I tell about my school, there was any English teacher, there are three teachers, nobody tell clearly that this is tense, this is, they come and give their lectures and go. Then you have to do the work. Then I studied till 10th class, but I can't speak English. I understand, but I don't know how to reply to anyone, how to speak, how, because I never go to stage and speak any speeches. This is my first speech also on Sunday class. That's why I am so nervous also, and that's why I'm so nervous also. Then the teachers also come and speak in Hindi. If you ask any questions, sir, why this happened, why this, sir always tell us in Hindi language. And that's why I came here. And many people also ask us why you leave Jyoti school. I firstly want to tell you, the name of Jyoti school is, I know, is very big, but I really tell you one thing. There was this atmosphere of education is so bad that the students and the teachers who are not interested to give that education to the children, and not the student also want to study there. There are many students, they want to came and do bunks. I tell you really, many friends when I was in 10th class, I tell you really, my many friends go to school, but they not reach school. They go here and there for roaming. That's why there was education. But then I came here. Then my father one day came and meet the sir, and sir gave him a test paper of 11 question. Then my father came to home and gave me that question paper and said to me, you have to fill it, and you will go, means you have to go the coaching center, and you have to improve
you have to go to Bhuwan sir
English classes, and you have to improve your English speaking. And then I think I not do all 11 questions because I'm not, means my word power is so weak that time. That's why I can't understand what was the answer I have to give. Then next day when I came here, then 2 to 3 days sir give me the homeworks and explain. But I can't understand anything because I came here in middle the class. Then sir give me a new batch that in which sir start from basic. Then after 2 to 3 months I fear to speak. Sir said to me, "You have to speak, you have to speak." But I fear to come here. When one day my father again came and asked the sir to how much he improved. Sir tell us he is fear to come on the stage. He fear to give the eye contacts and body language. Then next day there was a group discussion sir has made. There I speak 2 or 3 lines only. Sir has tell me that you have to speak like this only. First day you have to speak 2 to 3 lines, then 4 to 5 lines, then only you have to. If you can't speak any one line, then how can you know if or sir knows that what's the mistake you were doing in speaking? And then I start to speak. I mistake also many times. Then sir tell us you have mistake here and you have to improve this thing, and I tell you about my experience of class. Means when the sir always motivate me that you have to speak. Means now also I am hesitating. Then sir has tell you if you hesitate, then you can't. You have to speak and give the eye contact to everyone, and if we the hand expression and how to stand and how to speak and even then I start to means I'm telling you that after 2 to 3 months I am so dumb to speak, but now also I'm not a good speaker, but nowadays I speak 4 to 5 lines in front of anyone. But before 2 to 3 months, I am fear to speak any word, because I am fear that if I say wrong, then everyone make my fun. But sir tell us if you think that if anyone makes your fun, then you can't speak, because then you don't always means fear and not do anything in your life. You have to speak. You don't think what's people were thinking. You have to do your best. Then only you have go ahead. Then I tried, and nowadays I am speaking you means little bit English language, and this is my first speech on Sunday. That's why I am so nervous. That's why I try my in next Sunday I try my best. Thank you everyone.